In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on Miro in real time. Miro is a fantastic platform that enables collaborative work on a virtual canvas, allowing teams to brainstorm, design, and strategize together, no matter where they are. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to set up your collaborative space. To get started, let's head over to Miro.com. This is where the magic happens. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on sign up instead of log in. But assuming you've already signed up, you just want to click on log in. Now you have the option to sign in using your email or your Google account. Using the Google option is not only quick, but also saves you the trouble of remembering another password. So, go ahead and click on continue with email if that's your preference, otherwise proceed with the Google sign in if you have that set up. Once you're logged in, find the board that you want to collaborate on. Your dashboard will display all the boards you're either participating in or have created. Click on your chosen board to open it up. Now that you have your board set up, you'll want to make it ready for collaboration. Next, move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This is the key to bringing in collaborators. In the sharing menu that appears, there's a field where you can type in the email address of the person or persons you want to collaborate with. Make sure you have the correct email address to ensure the invitation reaches the right destination. After typing in the correct email address, click on it. Miro gives you flexibility in adjusting permissions for your collaborators. You have the option to set permissions to can edit, can comment, or can view. This choice will depend on the level of access you want to grant. For most collaborative tasks, granting editing capabilities makes sense, but if you want someone to only provide feedback, then can comment is the better option. Likewise, can view is suitable for sharing final drafts or completed projects with another person. Finally, click on send invitations to notify your collaborators. They will receive an invitation in their email, allowing them to join you on the board. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have a collaborative platform where you and your team can brainstorm, draft, edit, and finalize your projects together in real time. Don't forget to explore the additional features Miro offers, such as adding sticky notes, images, and various diagrams, which can further enhance your collaborative efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and happy collaborating.